Yes, Aya. Good morning, all my viewers and subscribers on the Voice of Bed Miller. Yeah, man, YouTube channel. Yeah, it's really, it's really good to be back. Come see me can cock up my foot. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man. Although me I go just soon come down still, and make a speech beside the chair there. But as I say, it's really good to be back in me, myself, and wife of Jim. Me, myself, and I and wife of Jim. It's a man like a gym, I'm really, yes. Because of sports. Because children live what them learn, Because for me, a little boy. See me here? Yeah, man. As a little boy. All of the name the 2 feet for the 2 feet 2 feet for air place still, so they don't want to call the name. F the bed. Yeah, man. It's a Mama Cherry, yeah. And it's the only thing of winning a football. Yeah, man. The Corner League trophy. I mean, win this in 1983. We come down to the final and destroy Grass Piece. Downtown versus Grass Piece. Yes, Aya. Boy, I'm tell you what topic you touch upon now, Aya. You know, see it? When I can just stay so and speak my mind. Yes. Because I don't want to talk too long, because my little friend, my little sister, a teacher sister in a pan school, I don't call her name, because some people like to call her name on the YouTube thing and the social media thing. And she tell me, boy, bed, me go talk to them be a 10 minutes talk. Although Dougie Peter when tell me say 30 minutes the max. Yeah, man, so I go try keep it between 10 and 30, because I have a series of things. I have content now I can talk about now. You know, see? And the main content this morning I talk about. I'm going to make it short and spicy, because I want the people them feel. Because enough to me go start talk and speak my mind. Because of Michael Manley, I'm self-reliance. People call me and give me work, and I do the work at the best of my ability. So now people can't really fire me. People cannot give me no work still up on a certain level. But I don't know 9 to 5 thing. The self-reliance, I'm there at Jamaica. Yeah, man. Yes. For ever since. But what me I say now, to the topic right now, because I'm going 3 minutes and you know, see it. Yeah, what me I say now? You know, see it? Yeah, my topic this morning is all about the World Cup campaign and yeah, man. Because I know say last night, everybody when want, most Jamaicans when want reach the World Cup. They want the Jamaican team to reach the World Cup. But me prophesy from day one. Say Jamaica now reach the World Cup. It's a prophecy, me prophesy. If you want to hear about my prophecy, me tell you, my friends, me don't want chat group and sports and lifestyle. Enough thing me I tell him, Enough to me tell you when Michael Manley say certain things, Anything me want, God give me, Then say God no answer sinner. Then say God no answer sinner prayer. But that a lie. God answer my prayer. And say, you see, me no want to call him Jesus. Because my friend Burning like me call him Jesus. Yeah man, my friend Burning Elliot. You know see, and his brother, Brian Elliot. Call him a different name. Because I want people to know say me not too diverse still now. You see, we are God's people. We are the real Israelites, the black people, but only if you attend Brian Elliott classes, I'm making you teach, Brian Elliott teaching about God in a certain levels. Because we want to talk something different, When you claim some mad people and this and that, because we talk different language too, different things. Because your brainwash over the years believe in certain and certain things. Yes. Yeah man, so back to the argument now. Because you say me real bossy. You know see, I'm going to stop telling people my age. 16 for life. That's why I'm going to take them poison. Because I know this nowadays. People are dead, so. So I can't cock up bossy man. I'm more than know say God answer sinner prayer because he's a sinner. Every man all sins and come short of the glory. And one man try the earth. Try the way of the Most High. You see, you just call it the Messiah and the Son of God. You see, come my friend Bernie don't like him, we call him Jesus. But that's why I go Bernie, because I say my friend. But what I say, man? Never me alarm go off. The soon come back. Yeah man, alarm go off. So I can't bother with it. The song they play in my background. Yeah. Because when the song play in your background, you don't make no money off of. YouTube now give no money, brother. I'm not them little thing. Yeah man, what I say now? Yeah. Me say, before I go on to Jamaica, you know see, with this government here, them don't deserve to go a World Cup. Them don't deserve to go a World Cup. Even when time Jamaica when draw in the first round, in the group, with QSO, Trinidad and Tobago. I want next side. I remember the side because I never took fight up, you know. And then the group, I mean, in a sports and lifestyle, coming up with this join the ethnic group yet. I'm into the sports and lifestyle people say Jamaica now reach World Cup. Because they don't deserve to reach World Cup. Because it's a government here. Now do nothing at all for sports. For the youths them. Nothing at all them now do. You understand me? The former governments them like in the 70s, 80s, 90s, the early part of 2000. Them do think with sports. Yeah man. So that's why this government here can't take, because if Jamaica when reach last night, they might feel big like other things. They don't do nothing at all for sports. Me talk about football and track and field. The two most popular sports. Because of them all kill cricket too, you know. Because we don't want no Jamaica followers again, you know. Jamaican people them can't enjoy sports again. Yes. The worst defeat at West Indies cricket take place at Sabina Park. God now sleep, God don't like ugly. We believe that the most I saw much. Because sports unify people. And that God, you know. Because I go carry on me myself and I and wife Jimmy. Because I have some pictures that I can show you some. Yeah man. Some sporting ancestors and some sporting people who still alive and so forth. God don't like ugly. So you see when in Gala, a national stadium, the last match against QSO, and we go reach, when the Prime Minister, Babsy Grange, the whole of them gather. And when the match over, Babsy Grange's remark was, after the battle, the sweet of the victory. Because I didn't feel say, you know, I just they round there alone and go play now. People never know they go have playoff. Yeah, man, after they lose me, they have the playoff thing. I'm still tell them they now reach World Cup, brother. They don't deserve to reach World Cup. In the 1990s, I mean, I'm talking about politics. Jamaica went deserve for World Cup 1998. And in time, the government has support the thing. The Brazilian coach didn't care coming in winning Simos. Unify the people them. With Jesus saving and shot back. And galvanize the nation. And show us Jamaican people, the love and the unity them time there. You know see, then time the all of the playgrounds them, they hope and running. You know see. That's why after Wake Up Boys reach Wake Up 1998, the thing spill off in such a way. Village United reach Premier League. You know see, 2001 footballer play. Everywhere active. Foom Sports Complex active. Everything, footballer play. You know see it, I Western Jamaica in so much. You know see it. And now, because we go rally back. See the first team from Western Jamaica there. What reach Premier League. Seaboy United. The Avi. I tell people see me collect all the teams as much as possible we can collect, you know. Because you see this house I have. It a go, I don't talk my business on sports and life. No. I talk my business on, you know, see on the vice of bedman still. But I collect enough pictures in see. Because see me have all the nip school 82 side. Never states 76 side and 77 side across the sun. I collect in all the pictures them. Because I'm a sports activist. That's why I said now reach World Cup. They never going to go with World Cup. And so said, so done. So all the fanfare, never budge in sports and lifestyle. You know see, I talk about them go celebrate and all them sitting there. I tell them it was a laugh. Them people now because what they might do to the youths of Jamaica, I can talk about all in a Chilani too. I talk about what happening in a Chilani right now. No sporting, none of the local youths them can't play no football. At a grassroots levels, there's no play field for them, no playground for them. And one playground we have a fan, we have two playgrounds. Yeah man, the Barrack School playground. And the center, a freeway. And my God man, this a government I want to take it from away. When you see what go on people, they want to take the play, they want to take the playground from us. Because everywhere Falmouth now sell out. Sell out the tourism. Nothing wrong with tourism, you know. Because at the main foreign, they can make them foreign exchange. Oh my God man, what about the people them? The people don't exist anymore. We cannot just viewers and viewers of pints. When I talk alright. Through a football I talk about the look on the Elixton Waitland Youth Center. You know see it? But the man donate him land. For sports. The Elixton Waitland Youth Center don't belong to the government, you know. The man entrusts him land to the government of Jamaica. Mr. Garth Wills can tell me that. That's the perimeter wall and build right the four corners of center. The sports he build for, not for no dropping center and no nice shelter for homeless people. For sports, for empower the people in a sports. And it's a government that take the land and create all manner of in a seat of things funny. Because right now, you know, we know if you help the people, the infirmary people need help on a certain levels, you know. But them still gonna remain, they're gonna stay over the infirmary and build a new one and give them saving. They shouldn't carry them and put them on the youth center and deprive the youths them of enjoying the sporting facility at the centre. Because right now, Farmers United can't use you know, see, Farmers United youths them cannot play football over the centre. You don't want to reach World Cup. Eh? You don't want to reach World Cup. Only can reach World Cup. Only have youth centre occupied by the infirmary people them. When you have other players can put them. When you have other players can put them, you know. I make you them use the centre, you know. The Elixton Wakeland Youth Centre is a sacred ground when it comes on to sports. When you have Usain Bolt statue up at Falmouth Water Square, and you team of Trelawney don't have good playground when they down. That's why I go 2 day sports. I go day sports at Bayok School, and I go day sports yesterday over Nip School. And the kids ask me, say, "Beg, you know videos." I'm tell them, say, "No, we don't know video thing, my friend, because I like how I go on, brother. The condition where the youths them after they run up and down pan. A full time Trelawney youths them if you run pan Chevron. You know see it? Everybody excited over Douglas, Shania Douglas. A long time Trelawney girls them fast, hard to steal them fast same way. Out and Neva, that's a Christopher Stone mother. We have produced fast girls and fast in a seat. And fast boys long time in the 70s. Because Duffus and the man, Johnson and the man, they don't know. That's why they need a museum in a seat. A Falmouth in a seat. When you can show the great sportsman and woman of Trelawney. That's why me a call upon the all of the sporting loving fans them from Trelawney, you know see, we come together, sign a petition for them to left Mr. Elixton Wakeland alone. Me a call upon and the farmer me Fred Bartlett, who for cousin and Arlene Bartlett used to go nip. His sister, them used to take part in the sports. They come from Wakefield, just like how Seymour come from Wakefield. You know see? Yeah man, Shania come from Granville. You know see? I don't want to call about name. Everybody know where come from. We Trelawney people are talented people. We keep on telling them. And how now Trelawney don't have official running track for the youths them. Only have Usain Bolt statue up in the water square. Only take the people to the poppy show. Only sell out the land them to the tourism. So when the Prime Minister come talk about him a go build, him a upgrade the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium for sports tourism. When Porsche 2015 Porsche did say him a go rebuild the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium and name me after Usain Bolt. The Usain Bolt Sports Academy. That when you say Sports Academy, that means that the people them can go empower themselves in a sports. We learn football more and and track and cricket, because if she go name the stadium after Bolt, there must be a running track over there. And I know Bolt retired from track and field from 2017. I know nothing done to Trelawney multi-purpose stadium. And from 2017, Catherine and lockdown, the track lockdown. So only one feel like you're not going with things. I want get glory. But you don't want to go World Cup. You go fix up the playgrounds them for the kids them, but you don't want to go World Cup. Go work with what? Eh? You don't do nothing at all. And Western Jamaican people them. Because the first time I make it on TV, Jay, when I give me speech, I'm glad for you know me talk about I don't go up on TV just like most one. I don't go up on TV. My face go up on TV and don't put you up on TV like me want if you do no crime at Jamaica. I go up on TV the first time, I speak out against things. The Western, you see, if you check Western champs, no, big champs were there. The kids in from Western Jamaica hardly win a medal up there. But our host, the most outstanding athlete come from the Western part. Big up Shania Douglas, big up the Allen family. I want thing I tell Mr. Evans, boy, Mr. Evans, me all kind of vex when I get for all capture the celebration. Come in when you know nothing at all about it. I see it, I go see it pan something there. On Instagram. Yeah man. Look how the people in Marlon High School happy. Sports bring happiness to the people them. Nip school go out for them one this morning. In a seat, in the auditorium. For the under 14 boys, them and this something there. And the tracks you them same way. Me I go up there. Because a teacher from Nip tell me about it. So you want me come on and come showcases. Come in and go live stream it, you know. I go just capture it and put it on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is for the youth them of Trelawney. In a seat. In a sports. My YouTube channel. You know, for no passa business. Because the day when time Joker and Angie have them thing. Them look problems and so forth. People want me put it on my YouTube. I say, no, I don't do them things there whether. Because I know Joker, I know Angie for them little boy and girl. They work out them difference. I'm glad they work out them difference. I don't want the people tear down and mash down now. Feel really parade and laugh after them. No. Because I know Joker where Joker they come from. Billboards look brother. I know Angie where Angie come from. Devil go sister. I'm a fan mouth man enough to me go in a seat. Sometimes that's me I'm a fan mouth yan. I'm a cross bridge come here. How did I get my birth certificate? I get my passport, see boy I go travel now and then. I feel like I left all me here again. Feel all want to go on. And if you fix up the playgrounds then brother. You see it? When you turn Falmouth Center in a coal mine and cattle rearing, cow one them sleep on the Falmouth Center. But what? I can't blame the Falmouth cowboys them. Can't blame the youth them because the place now utilized in such a way. Because Kimani Mali, come here. The man come here. See me? Come here. Figure the people them, figure the youth them of Trelawney, a sports complex, a nice football field, and a track. Because in Virgin the land, we talk about it all the while on my channel. And I don't get the money property. For in 2016, the government of Jamaica have Kimani Mali plan up there. Have the man plan. You know, see, if you build a sports complex, and they have the man plan, because Mr. God really could just see the plan and pass it on the gauge and have the youth plan up there. And go on like center and utilize. Center very active and busy. Kimani Mali walk amongst family youth them. Like when Jesus is to walk amongst him people them. And the Son of God is to walk amongst him people them. And the happiest time among family youth them. Then see a bright futures. And they don't give the money property. And they play politics with the people them. And they want to reach World Cup. Which is World Cup that? Eh? So right to me I close out by saying, I'm calling on, you see, because I go stay on me, myself, and I and wife for Jim. And can relax, bossy. Yeah, man. For this weekend, we go touch on the sporting topic. Yes. So I'm calling up and the foundation clubs them. Conquerors, village and conquerors. It's come out of village, studs come out of conquerors. The whole of them foreign. Because some of the Etsy them want to gather some people and they want to come down. Because they want to help. They want, even if you sign a petition, Because I take what them go take what the center for the farmer people them. Because when the Prime Minister talk about him go move hospital and put this and put that and put that so. I sell the Prime Minister sell out the property, the lands them. Sell them out. The time want move hospital, build a sports complex, give the people them. Prime Minister, but they want to reach World Cup. Build a sports complex and leave hospital alone. You know see? Kimani Mali come, I've been back if you build a sports complex, give the people them. And they don't game. I'm not going to check what you want to go World Cup. You shouldn't be ashamed of yourself. The youth have children and can't nothing for one pan. Nothing at all enough for one pan. At the schools them, yeah man, you can't take part in the sports. Yeah man, the high school them, that's him always talk and say, Mr. Keith Wellington am my Prime Minister. And Mr. Linville Wright am my Prime Minister. Yes. Yeah man. And Mr. Evans now shape up to be my Prime Minister too. Because look what the man do. The man say he can't lean, but the man do a thing. And now Holland High School upon the lips of the people right now. Just like our NIP school is back on the lips of the people. Children and people are rising in sports. Give me a sports complex and stop talking about take my people for idiot. When you not building for me, give it. I'm not against it for me, you know. Lay a foundation for the youth them and stop trick the youth them. Because youth can see the little thing of a farm, the little send of a farm, them can sit down and watch. To be continued. Because 10 minutes talking, you see when you want to hear about history, you go tune in on Michael man, they put the things. I'm going to tell you now. Me a profit. Sports and lifestyle family, me a profit. Because they don't control me. Me not take them pies in 2020. Me a hand the thing them. Me a afraid if you call the thing the name. And my friend Bernie tell me say, because me have two Bernie, you know. Friend, you know, one male Bernie, you know. But him not like to certain things, you understand me? But the female Bernie tell me say, and them about speech, me fi talking a parables. Don't come straight today. Big up yourself, Bernard Elliot. Because then they do one good trouble. They come down from a from baby to come relax. Then you told you could knees them. Then go provoke you. That's why God move up, rearrange from a from baby and run him over from a from baby. I mean I go and control and see what we can do. You know see? People, when if you take when if you have interest in on yourself and stop worship man and love man more than love yourself and the picnic. When if you does peaceful demonstration and the land belongs to us. We want to enjoy Jamaica too. Not tourists alone. Tourists is the nicest. Give me a chance to enjoy back with Jamaica. Stop taking the lands in for the people. Them. Me also take a Vernon field too. Jamaican people come together and unite in a peaceful demonstration. Because you not take center, you know. Because money man and the money man come down, you know. We need to come down and take back center, brother. For the youths them. Because center me stay and get football scholarship. And can cock up my foot and be independent. The self-reliance. Michael Mal empowering people them. We good in sports. We should have build athlete and build footballer and export it over the world like Brazil. Brazil a femicide. Femicide reach World Cup. Brazil a femicide. To be continued. You're too wicked, brother, but you don't want to reach World Cup. You know see it? I want to farm tonight if you know say win, lose and draw. When if you do things for a center, don't the youth center alone when they have a football time. Because the infirmary people they have to come off, you know. They have to come off there. And when they come off, we need to take you back over. And all you sporting fans will live all over the world. We need to come together, man. And save the center for the youths, them brother. Not for one just leave a center. Because they are foreign now. They must take over the land for the people, them. They must take over the prize land for the people, them. Yeah. People don't happy again. So, half an hour thing me go on. Yeah, man, me follow Dougie Peter advice. Me hard full, me have nothing to talk about. Me have nothing to talk about. Can you have, before me done, me can show you some pictures of me have. When me out to sell. Michael Manley Pitney, compound for a reason. I'm there. You know see, yeah man. Me go show you some pictures of me have. Yeah man. You know see it? Me go you know see it? See Bolt yeah? See Bolt in there. Look how Bolt come from. See Bolt in them big foot pants and all them sitting beside Mrs. Lee. Anything you see them picture with Bolt? I mean have them. You know see it? So nip school pass student them. You put on the money because the son start rising. See me I go through some pictures. Yeah man. See at the Seba side there. Yeah man. Yes. You know see it. I tell him I want to collect pictures you know.